Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I am Farizah Putra Farisi and this is my final double exam for subject English for academic purpose. I'm gonna show my research outline. So this is my research outline about improve listening skill with podcast. The background why I choose this title is many college students attending listening subject have their own variation of for practice listening, and either it's music or film, and yeah, the other media such as radio, and yeah, nowadays podcasts are being a trend and hit, and I want uh, search the impact of podcast for listening practice because I and the other college student want to get higher score for this the subject. So let's continue to research problem. So this is the research problem. The first question is why what what uh, what is the best media to so the first question is what the best way to practice listening rather than podcast, and the second why pod, why podcast is effective for listening practice, and yeah, and the third question how different podcast genre affect the result. And we continue to the methodologies. The methodologies I use for this research outline is quantitative, so college student do a pretest TOEFL listening test, and after 2 weeks listening the podcast, there will be post test TOEFL listening test too for for analysis the impact of podcast for the college student, and the second is qualitative. So after the post test, college student will will continue to interview session with the researcher, asking about the trouble, the challenges, discussion. Are you discussing with your friend, or are you do the note taking to remember the podcast points like result, result like I say before, this is post-test and pre-test. I hope the post-test after listening a podcast, after listening a podcast, college student get a higher score into public listening test after hearing a podcast. And I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.